PhD in neuroscience from the Harvard of Hungary. And then she has a postdoctorate fellowship that she did at Harvard. And back in the early 2000s, when you started your brand 23 years ago on QVC, I said this earlier and I believe it so wholeheartedly, mostly men were creating and pioneering these trailblazing technologies and sciences in anti-aging. And Dr. D came along and she said, but wait, I'm a woman. I can do this probably even better for aging women. I want to pivot here because she now has an entirely curated assortment of products that go well beyond just anti-aging. Like, for instance, this is so clever, and it's a buy one, get one free. Under 30 bucks, buy one, get one free. It's called No Offense. No offense. These are whole body deodorants. You get 3 days worth of masking odors. And this category is so huge at regular retail. They are everywhere because people no longer are just worried about their armpits. They're worried about everywhere else too. Their feet, their thighs, their privates. You put this little creamy delivery system anywhere, it dries clear, it doesn't have talc, baking soda, parabens, sulfates, any of it. Also, deodorants don't have aluminum. And now you are very much masking the odors that actually can be a little embarrassing.
Actually, masking is the wrong word. Actually, you have no odor whatsoever.
There you go.
None, nothing. You have the complete confidence of having no odor at all, whether it's here, in between the chest, in between the breast, under the breast. How about, you know, some people have bellies that there's a bit of a skin fold there. It can be very odorous, or privates, or backside, feet, whatever you have, wherever you feel like there is a potential.
It smells yummy.
It smells yummy, actually. Literally nothing for 3 days, no odor. You have the complete confidence of having no odor. Even if you take, well, you will be taking showers in between. The shower does not wash it away.
But can you imagine if you're like camping? Rando example, but I'm just saying.
Camping, absolutely.
3 days worth of odor-free. Oh, I didn't mention, the whole hour with Dr. D is clean beauty. Plus her whole brand is clean beauty.
Clean beauty.
So all of those litany of ingredients that I said are not in this formula, none of them are in any of the formulas. Now, Dr. D, because you get a set of 2, one is $29, so this is officially a buy one, get one free. Where do we put this? What do we do exactly in terms of how we rub it in? What happens when we do? And oh my gosh, what is powering these results?
Yes, this is a very important, kind of a breakthrough formulation. It gives you 3 days protection, of complete odor protection. We are going to the very core of the reason why odor is formed.
Why is odor formed?
Why is odor formed? When sweat meets the bacterial flora, that's when odor forms. So this is addressing that very process. And deodorants mask. This one doesn't mask. This one actually extinguishes odor. There's no odor forming whatsoever.
Do I rub it all the way in, or do you say leave it a light film on my skin? No matter what happens when it dries, it's clear anyway.
Exactly. It dries. It dries very easily. It just disappears into your skin. You don't have to work with it very much. You just put it under here or wherever else, and you know that you are completely fine. Now, it's clean beauty, as you said. There is no talc in it, and no parabens, and no baking soda, and no aluminum, as all deodorants are lacking aluminum. There is something very important about this. It absorbs excess water. You put it on, let's say, under the breast where you are sweating, or under the abdomen, and it absorbs water. You feel dry the entire time. And one more very important point. Many of us develop dark discolorations under the arms, or in areas, private areas, or wherever there's a skin fold and rubs against each other. It can turn very dark. Guess what? This actually changes that. It brightens skin discolorations. How important is that? Isn't that interesting?
You know what I think is so important, and I love this category, and by the way, lavender. Aloe, arrowroot extract, lactic acid, Roman chamomile, jasmine, smells great, feels great because it feels like nothing.
Yes, exactly.
You can put it anywhere and you are full of confidence for 72 hours. I love this category because I feel like these are the things that women, especially women of a certain age.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, my gosh,
absolutely.
the hot flashes are
Hot
driving
flashes.
me nuts.
And
we don't talk about.
We don't talk about. Yeah, exactly. But wherever you sweat, odor will appear. When sweat meets your bacterial flora, odor will appear guaranteed. And what is also guaranteed is for 3 days, no odor whatsoever.
So guys,
that is so important.
Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. And this category is huge at regular retail, but when you go to the drugstore, you are not getting prestige, anti-aging, high science skincare. This is a whole body deodorant, so please, no offense, put it anywhere you need it to literally take care of odor. I want to